Hi everyone, I'm Sarah, co-founder of Glow Recipe, and today I'm here to show you how I use one of our newest sets, the Glass Skin 2.0 kit. Glass skin is a skincare trend that came out of Korea that promoted the idea of having skin that looked like a pane of glass. Today's version of glass skin doesn't mean poreless, blemish-free, flawless skin, and it's inclusive of all skin types, textures, and concerns. My first treatment is the vitamin C packed Pineapple C Bright Serum. First, it has vitamin C, which helps to brighten the skin and reduce dark spots and hyperpigmentation. This also has lactic acid and pineapple enzymes to help smooth your skin and refine the skin's texture overall. Now I'm going to apply the second serum, which is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This has niacinamide, which is a powerhouse antioxidant vitamin that helps to brighten skin overall, give skin glow over time, and keeps it healthy. Next, we're gonna lock in all of those beautiful ingredients with our final product in the set, which is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This daily moisturizer is made with 90% watermelon extract, so it's not just hydrating, but it's full of vitamins to keep your skin healthy too. The final step of my glass skin routine is to use dewdrops as my skincare highlighter. Just put a tiny drop of dew on the high points of your face, such as your cheekbones, your brow bones, center of your nose, and your cupid's bow. I also like to apply it over my eyelids for that wet finish. So that's how you can use the Glass Skin 2.0 kit. As you can see, I created this dewy, glowy look without any makeup and just skincare products.